everyone, welcome to my channel. I thought I'd give you a tour of my vanity table and how you can organise your makeup collection. I don't hold a huge kit any longer, but I will list what I think are essentials for a makeup collection. I have a classic white table with an IKEA mirror, a 12-inch ring light with 3 light options from Amazon. It comes with a table stand and a tripod stand. My makeup organisers are from eBay, the quality is excellent and you can customise the containers. These are some of my foundation, powder and blusher makeup brushes. Primers, my faves are MAC Prep and Prime and Benefit Professional. Concealers, I have Laura Mercier, NARS and Benefit. Foundations, I have Lord & Berry for a sheer day wear, MAC Studio Fix for a medium coverage, Hourglass Immaculate and Maybelline Superstay for my full coverage. Eyeshadow palettes from Arbonne, Lord & Berry and Highbrow. Royal FM. Number 7. These are my eyeshadow, lip and concealer makeup brushes. My before and after makeup sprays, MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Spray and Atelier before and after mattifying spray, Maybelline Fix Me Press Powder and MAC Soft and Gentle Skin Finish, Royal FM Bronzer, and Bare Mineral Powder Foundation, eyeshadow and eyeliner applicator brushes, eyeliner pencils, classic white by Rimmel, a selection of lip pencils from Laura Mercier, Kylie Jenner, Royal FM and Lord & Berry. Mascara, I have MAC 3D Effect, NYX for lengthening effect, number 7 full slash volume. My fave lip plumper from Wonder Kiss. And the Powerhouse. You gotta have some red lippy. My faves are Maybelline Superstay and Kylie Jenner. Here are a mix of nudes and reds by Arbonne. My favourite loose powder by Laura Mercier. The brow drawer. I have some brow stencils by Highbrow. Brow mascara and brow pencil by Highbrow. Maybelline Tattoo Brow. Tweezers, beauty blender, fixing gel and a brow pencil. Some more eyeshadow palettes by Too Faced, Urban Decay and Benefit. Lipsticks, Here I keep my high pigmented eyeshadows, strip eyelashes, eye makeup remover, lash glue remover, cotton pads, lip primer, lip SPF, and a Benefit lip and cheek palette. Here I have Barry M Afterglow Bronzer, Wonder 2 Translucent Powder, NYX Blotting Paper, Highlighter Pots, Marks & Spencer's Lip Gloss, Eyelash Curlers, Beauty Blender. This is a body shimmer you can add to any moisturiser. Laura Mercier Pressed Powder Sponge, Eye Dew Eye Drops for tired and red eyes, Christian Dior Blusher Stick. Before I apply any makeup, I hydrate with my DIY hyaluronic acid serum I made at home. This anti-aging serum deeply hydrates, stimulates collagen, refines fine lines and pores, improves skin tone and texture, giving the skin a fresh, brighter and youthful appearance. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you'd like to see more of my beauty care videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, my lovelies. Take care.